Because of my confidence and belief of what I would do, I would honestly ask the first person around me again, ask for help. My number one thing is, who do you know? Who do you know? Who do you know? Who do you know? It's made me millions. So I'd walk up to the very first person and say, where does the most people hang out? I tell people all the time because I've been told ask the same question. But worse is we drop you off someplace that you've never been before. You know what I mean? I would ask where the largest group of people are, and I would go to that area knowing that it's all about numbers, and then start sharing them with them the vision, you know what I mean, of what I could accomplish by helping them do what they want to do. It wouldn't take me long to build a group of a couple of hundred people within a week. It's just when you're passionate about what you do and you know how to have positive conversations, you'll find a lot of people that will tell you no. You'll find a lot of people that are too comfortable and won't do anything. You'll find a lot of people that are know-it-alls. If you don't believe them, just ask them. They'll tell you they know it all. And then you got people that are people pleasers. They're too busy, like you explained with your story, that they're too busy living other people's lives and other than their own. But if you go through the people, you'll find the winners. You'll find the people that are at the right place at the right time, and you won't be able to get them away from you. They'll follow you around like dogs, like a puppy, saying, listen, I want more, I want more, I want more, I want more. And so, yeah,